unfortunately, like what I mentioned earlier, there isn't actually a cure, okay, for allergies to date. And some of the medications that is actually in use right now are like antihistamine, I think very common, especially even like kids going to the doctor when they have allergy outbreaks. Children also get this as well. And even the steroid. Okay, steroid meaning consuming as well as topical application. Okay, and even in worst case scenario, this having these allergy shots, okay, the allergy injections. Okay, although during emergency that we really need to have some medication to ease the symptom, but there is a concerning problem with the side effects because, right, it actually suppresses the immune system and lower the resistance to infection. I think this is not so ideal, especially right now when we really need to have a strong and healthy immune system to fend off the virus that is lingering around. And also, another problem is that it can delay healing in the long run and actually affect children's growth. Okay, and this is a concerning factor because children only grow up once, and what they eat actually really determines their foundation. Yep. So we should really opt for something else to actually prevent, continuing this medication. So later on, I'll touch on it as well. Okay. So the other thing is that going for skin or blood tests, okay, to identify the allergens. Okay, this is really essential. If you can do it, please go for it, because I remember Dr. Chen, the founder of Nutritional Immunology, did actually mention that it is very important, for us to identify what is the allergen. And when we are already aware what is the allergen, right, the important thing is to avoid it and not expose to that allergen at all. Because, right, when the body keeps exposing to the allergen will mean that the body keeps overreacting to that, right? It is actually very hurting to our body. And so totally not exposed to it, give it some years, okay, which we don't know how long now, okay? We have to give our body some time, to be not exposed to that allergen, right? Then over some time, your body may forget it and you will not be actually allergic to it anymore.